Hi everyone, or welcome back to another video on my channel. I feel like I've not sat and filmed a speaking through video for so long now because I've been so busy at the minute. But anyway, I've got this Sparkle Supplies UK VIP box here for this month, which of course is June. So here it is. We're going to have a look what is inside. Here is the information for this brand. If you don't already know about it just yet, but if you follow me, I'm pretty sure you probably will because it's all over my channel. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what's inside. Very excited, as always, because these boxes are always fab. And you get such a good variety of stuff in them. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. I'm so bad at opening stuff without wrecking the boxes. Anyway, so you get a list of things that are included. So if you don't want to see this, look away now. This is everything that is in this box and how much it will be when it goes on sale, which will be the 7th of August. So when you get these boxes, you get everything 2 months before they're released. And as you can see, it is worth £13.65. They're £12.99 on the website, and you can use my 15% off discount code. So you're getting even more for your money, which is obviously fab. So we've got a mixture, as always, of crystals, glitters, potted nail art, and also foil. So first of all, we've got this glitter here, which is called Beating Heart, and I've already got it everywhere. Good start. So that is this. Beautiful. It's got lots of hearts in it. Stunning holographic pink, iridescent hexes as well. So we've got a lot going on there. That's beautiful. That is called Beating Heart, and it would be, if we look on here, £1.99 when it's for sale. Then we've got Orion, which would also be £1.99. Again, this is without my 15% off, so you can get them cheaper. And that is what this looks like. It is predominantly black, but it's got some, is it black? Yeah, it's got black holographic. Some, I don't even know, some iridescent, like see-through-y ones. And some really fine glitters as well. There's a great array of different colours and effects in there. That's really different. Then we've got a foil here, which is called Peacock, which I think is a pretty apt name for it because it is definitely peacock inspired. We've also got, oh sorry, the, what's it called? Foil would be 90p. We've got some cyan Rivoli. And these are really large. It's so beautiful. What a gorgeous colour they are. Really large crystals. They're pointed back ones. And then we've got two potted items as well. We've got, this one is called Lucia Hollow Flakes. Lucia? It's Lucia, isn't it? I don't know. Whatever that says. I'm pretty sure now I've said it wrong that it's Lucia because that didn't sound right. And we've got Star Dance. So this one is £3.99 and they are holographic flakes. Beautiful. And then we've also got Star Dance, which will be £2.49. Those hollow flakes will be £3.99. And we've got some copper stars here, which are beautiful. Absolutely love these colours. Are they copper? I don't know, they're a bit dark for copper. I think they're copper, I'd say they are. So that would be £2.49. So we've got some really stunning products there. And what I'm going to do for this video, instead of doing a design with any of these products, because my nails need infilling, I'm still yet to do that video on Thursday and today is Tuesday. So I'm going to just do some swatches on some swatch sticks instead. So we're going to swatch this glitter. We're going to swatch Beating Heart. And we'll swatch Lucia Hollow Flakes. I'm not going to swatch these because, well actually, yeah, we might as well. We'll just put a couple on instead of sprinkle it like I'm going to with the others. So with these swatches, let me just move my hand, my wrist armrest, whatever it's called. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a thicker rubber base coat onto the underneath of the nail, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitters over the top. So I've just been searching for my glitter catcher contraption and I can't find it anywhere, so God knows where that is. Haven't used it since I moved in here, so probably been thrown away somehow, but I'm just going to use this instead. It's just a little pot. I'll just be able to tip it back in from that. So we're going in with our rubber base, and I'm going to just apply quite a thick layer, because of course it doesn't matter if it doesn't cure brilliantly, because it's just for swatching purposes. And then I'm going to grab Orion and then sprinkle it straight on top of the swatch stick, like so, making sure there's some stuck to everywhere. I'm just going to tap off the excess. I'm going to tap the edges to make sure there isn't any sticking out. Give it a quick pat. Oh, these are beautiful, they're like oyster. And then I'm going to pop that into the lamp. I'm going to do the same thing for the next one, which is beating heart. So we're just going to pop a nice thick coat on there for that one. This isn't really the type that I would sprinkle, to be honest. I think I might just pop some in here and then place it on. And I'm just going to pick up some pieces, pop them into that layer. Also not going to get the full effect. Okay, so I've just done that quickly off camera because it was going to be really long and repetitive. So I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure while I do the next one. So we've still got the hollow flakes and that star one. What I didn't realise is that the base coat looks a bit cloudy on that nail that I've just done, which is a bit annoying, but you know, you get the gist, it's fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle these flakes. I think that's going to be the easiest way to do these and the best colour payoff for you to be able to see the colour of them. So let's just focus, there we go. So I'm just going to very, very lightly tap the pot to get them to come out. And once I'm happy with the coverage, I can then just tap off that, and then again make sure all the edge is smooth. That's it. And then I'm going to pop that into the lamp as well. I will dust off the excess of all these glitters. Oh, okay. These look weird. Look at those. They're standing up. Not sure if you can tell. Oh, they're like static. I wonder if these magnets. They stick to the magnet somehow. I don't know why I think they would, but I'm just going to give it a go just to see. No, just moving them around somehow, but they're not sticking. Well, they are sticking to it, but not like really cool. Okay, so that's going to have to go because it's not going to be able to be tipped back into the pot, but there's plenty in there, it's fine. So we've got one left. I definitely should have done that one last. That was properly stuck in my pot. So the next one, again, I'm just gonna, actually I don't need the pot for the next one because it's just one that I'm gonna place him on the nail myself. So I'm just gonna tip some into the lid of the, oh, they've got the full cover ones as well. I thought they were all just like the ones with the holes in the middle, but they're not. So I'll just do one of each on here to show you, and then I'll fill the gaps myself. Off camera, just make it a bit quicker. So we've got a medium size star, we've got a large, it's not going to pick that up, is it, because it's too heavy I think for my dotting tool. I've got a bit of base coat on my dotting tool to help me pick things up. Oh, there you go. So there's a large one. Let's just get rid of that hair. It's a problem with having a very multi-spaniel. There we go. So we've got a medium one, a large one, and some small ones. I think I need some more gel on there. We've got some small stars as well, and then we've also got, like I mentioned, just those ones without the middles in, like that. So we've got quite an array of different styles, and then we've also got, just to add to the fun, got some hexes as well. So we've got a large one, medium size, and also some small like so. So we've got 3 different sizes of hexes as well as all those stars, which is really cool. So I'm now just going to use a few pieces to fill in some gaps. I'm not going to go crazy because I don't have the patience, to be honest. But yeah, just going to fill in some gaps, so I'll come back when it's more full. Okay, that last one is just in the lamp. I will show you again once it is cured. I'm just going to dust off the excess of all those now. So I'm going to get a rough brush and I'm going to just go straight over with it and dust off any excess. Like so. Not really that rough, to be honest. Let me get my manicure brush because that's a bit better. Right, so these are the 2 glitters. We've got the Hollow Flakes and Orion, I think it was called. Like I said, they're a bit not great, quality on the tips, but they're still beautiful. Look at that. Both gorgeous. So we've got this one, which was the Beating Hearts one, of course. Beautiful. And then we've also got the one that I've just done, which looks like this. It's almost like a cat eye effect on these. Look, you can see the shift. It's so cool. Really love that. But they do look really dull, so you have to look at them from this side. But look at them. Wow. Absolutely stunning. So I hope you enjoyed this video and everything that is included in this box. Do let me know what your favourite product is from this box, because honestly I don't think I can choose. There's so many beautiful things in this one. Sorry for the delayed video, because of course I did actually receive this about a week ago, but like I said, I've just been so busy, I've only just got around to filming it. But yeah, absolutely stunning. So I hope you like them as well. I think they're all stunning. I'm not really a green fan, as you all know, but I really like that actually. Those Hollow Flakes are beautiful, but I love the colour of these. They are stunning. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Bye!